Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanti if this is your first time here. So jumping right into the video, I'm going to be going in with this hair oil by Alikay Naturals, and I'm basically just using this as a pre-poo. I prefer to go in with an oil on my scalp and on my hair before I wash it because my scalp does tend to be a little more on the dry side. Sometimes I do have some flaking, so as y'all can see, I'm just going to be sectioning off my hair to detangle and apply the oil. So cue the music. That's what we're going to do right now. Anytime I'm doing any styling or detangling on my natural hair, I do make sure I'm going in with some water. I'm just using this continuous mist spray bottle that I got from either Amazon or eBay. I had it for years, y'all. I really can't remember, but the bottle just has water, and I just mix it with whatever hair oil I'm using at the time so that it's not just straight up water. I do like to keep some type of oil element in my hair so that it's not dry. But as y'all can see, I've distributed the oil amongst my scalp. Now I'm just going in to make sure that I apply it directly to my hair. That way I have some type of slip when I start detangling. Now that I got my hair sectioned off, I'm gonna go ahead and start detangling. So I usually use any like detangling brush that I have at the moment. I just got this one from my local beauty supply. Whenever I'm detangling my hair, I just make sure that I start at the very ends of my hair and work my way up to the roots. That way it's causing less stress and tension on my hair. And of course, I'm just gonna go through each section and repeat. Okay, y'all, now we're done applying the oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer. That way I can make sure I'm allowing it to sit for a good amount of time before we get ready to wash. So for today's wash day, I'm gonna be going in with Olaplex number 4 and 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner, in addition to this Aunt Jackie's Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. So y'all, I'm just gonna be walking y'all through how I wash my hair. I'm not an expert. I'm not telling y'all what to do with y'all's hair, but whenever I'm applying my shampoo, I usually start directly at the root and kind of just massage the shampoo down to my scalp. I usually would part my hair in two, but since my hair is shorter, it is a little bit easier to get the product distributed through without having to do that. So whenever you see me massaging my scalp, I am using like the beds of my fingers, not so much my nails. You will see me go in with my nails just to check and see that my scalp is clean. But when I'm actually going through massaging and working the product in, I'm just using the beds of my fingers. Once I'm done massaging the shampoo into my scalp, I do go ahead and distribute the rest of the shampoo down to the ends of my hair. I do like to clean all of my hair. I just don't apply the shampoo directly to my ends. I just use whatever is left over. And like I mentioned earlier, I am going in to do a mini scratch test just to check and make sure that I did cleanse my scalp pretty well. I try not to do it too heavily or extensively because like I said, I already suffer from dry scalp and I don't want to make it any worse than what it already is. Moving on to conditioner, I apply my conditioner from my ends of my hair up to my roots. However, I do not actually focus it on getting directly on my roots, more so just on my hair. If it does end up getting on my roots, oh well, not a big deal. But the main focus here is the hair, because that's what's going to soak up the nutrients from the conditioner. And now that I have it distributed throughout my hair, I am going to go in and do a little finger detangling. Detangling my hair before I got in the shower just makes this process a little bit easier, so it doesn't take much and I won't have as much like shedding or breakage while I'm in the shower. So that's another plus from pre-pooing and detangling your hair before you get in the shower. Now I'm just taking my satin scrunchie and tying my hair into a loose low bun. I usually let the actual conditioner sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, not too long since I'm still going to go in with the hair mask. Okay, y'all, now that I got all the conditioner rinsed out, I'm going in with the hair mask. So I just split my hair in half and I'm applying it pretty generously. Y'all, the goal for me is to try to coat every single strand. I mean, that might not be possible all the time, but that's the goal. And once I have the mask applied, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into another loose bun. That way I can go ahead and let it sit for a few minutes while I get the rest of my shower out of the way. Okay, y'all, before we move on to my post-wash products, I do want to show y'all a few alternatives that I use depending on what I'm doing to my hair. So I do use this Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair and the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor if I'm going to be adding heat to my hair. If I'm wearing my hair in its natural state, I do go for this Goddess Strength by Carol's Daughter, and I also think this is a really good dupe for the Olaplex. Out of all the shampoos and conditioners I've used, the consistency is the most similar to the Olaplex system. The first product I'm going to be going in with is this Leave-In Repair Hair Mask by K18. As of right now, I've only used this product a handful of times, but I do see myself repurchasing it in the future because I do like the way it makes my hair feel when I use it. Now I'm just going in with this ProVitamin leave-in conditioner by Aphogee, and I'm honestly more so using this product just to keep my hair damp throughout the styling process. Now for my scalp, I'm going to be going in with this Rosemary and mint oil. When it comes to my scalp, I do prefer to use an oil that has a little bit of a thicker consistency. I feel like it takes a little bit longer for it to absorb in any kind of minty oil. So like a tea tree oil or even the Alikay Naturals oil that I used at the beginning of the video. It does have a little tingling sensation, which I like. I just feel like when I feel that little tingling sensation, it's actually working and doing something. Okay, y'all, now I'm dampening my hair again before I go in with my Frieda Frizz Ease. I usually only use this product whenever I'm doing a silk press on my hair. However, I do like the slippage that it gives my natural hair whenever I'm getting ready to detangle it. And I know that from applying it to my hair before I blow dry it, but that's not the case today. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle again from the ends, working my way up to the roots. Okay, y'all, so moving on to the actual styling part, I chose to go with the most simplistic, tried and true, easiest thing I could do. Something cute, sweet, simple, short, not gonna take long, straight to the point. 2 braids. Now, we're not gonna talk about how the braids actually gonna look. We're gonna talk about the convenience. It's quick, it's cute, it's easy. Now, if y'all watch my vlogs, y'all know I cannot braid to save my life, but I did have an appointment to get an actual protective hairstyle done probably a day or two after watching and filming this video. So that didn't really matter. I just needed something to keep my hair stretched and detangled, and this is definitely gonna do it to hold me up until then. So I mean, y'all can watch me struggle if y'all want to. Okay, so as I'm sure y'all have seen throughout this routine, and even more now that I'm getting to the braiding part, I do have a lot of straight heat damaged pieces throughout my hair. I don't use any of these products with the purpose of reverting any damage, because I know I'm still going to be doing heat styling to my hair. And also, I'm just not that person who's scared to do anything to their hair. I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna dye it, I'm gonna straighten it, baby. I'm gonna fry my hair up. I fry this hair up if I want to fry this hair up. You hear me? But no, honestly, these products have definitely helped maintain some type of health to my hair, to where even though it's heat damaged, it's not fragile, it's not breaking off. So I mean, I guess that's more so my purpose of using the products that I do use, but not to reverse any damage, because it's clearly not doing it. And of course, if I'm continuously heat styling, that kind of defeats the purpose also. Okay, y'all, and just going over my hair with a little bit of oil. And now I'm just about to, check it out, see how I did. The braids don't look too bad. The part popping, really. I'm kind of learning a little something. I did And of course, since I'm getting ready for bed, I'm gonna make sure I either tie my hair up with my headscarf or put on my bonnet. Another protective measure I do is making sure that I'm sleeping on a satin pillowcase, because I sleep a little wild. And as long as I got something protecting my hair, I feel like I'm doing good. Okay, y'all, so that is going to be it for my wash day routine and the products I use to maintain my damaged hair. I'm about to go ahead and get ready for bed. So thank y'all so much for tuning in to yet another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.